Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to develop a sample Web GIS page, a basic Web GIS page, internet GIS page using the open source tools such as Openlayers, Geoext, Geoserver and Postgis. So basically I will use Openlayers and Geoext for the front end side of my application and Geoserver for serving the GIS layers such as shapefiles and raster files and PostGIS for storing the shapefiles. So first of all, I want to show you what are all the softwares or APIs you need to download from the internet. So basically, I have already uploaded few of the videos that how to install the PostGIS database and how to put the shapefiles into the PostGIS database. That you can see. I will give the link in the description. And also, I have uploaded a video on how to install a GeoServer and how to put layers inside a GeoServer. So that also the link for that video I will give in the description. And third one, how to install Geoserver under the Apache Tomcat. So that video I have also uploaded on the YouTube on my channel. So in the description I will give in the link the link I will give in the description. So guys, first of all, so you can go through all the previous videos, and after that you can see this video. So what are all the APIs you need to download is first one is Openlayers. Just go on Google, type. I will use the Openlayers to the older version of the Openlayers. Now there is fifth version is also there. So I'll show you Openlayers 2. Just click on Openlayers 2 here. There is an option of download zip. So I will use 2.13 only. This is the last version for the version 2. After that the Openlayers 3, 4, 5. Now I think recently 5 has come up. So just click on zip here and you will be able to download the Openlayers 2.13. So I have already downloaded Secondly, what you do, you just download Geoext. Just type Geoext. Go on Google and type Geoext2 and download Geoext2 from here. Here is the link for downloading Geoext 2.1. Just click here and you will be able to download. This is the source code. You can click on here like this. So I'll just cancel it because I have already downloaded it. Like Geoext 2. This one 2.1.0. Third one and last one is ext. So basically the geoext is built on top of the ext.js. So you need for geoext2 you need ext 4.0. So ext.js I will download geoext 4.2. On Google type geoext 4.2. So you can download from here GitHub. This is the GPL version of ext. You can just click here and download zip. So you'll be able to download the ext 4.2.1. So after downloading all those three, just unzip those. So cancel the download. I just want to show you from where you can download all this. So I'll cancel it because I have already downloaded all this and I've stored on my PC. So now I have Openlayers, Geoext and ext. So what you need to do first, you need to copy these inside your Tomcat folder. I have already uploaded a video to show how to install Geoserver under your Tomcat. So if you follow that video, you'll be able to download the Apache Tomcat under the program files, and under the web folder you will be able to install Geoserver. So for creating a new application, just create any new folder under the web apps folder of Tomcat. So I have created test folder. Under that I have created a simple libs folder. Under that I have copied all the three ext, geoext and Openlayers. Just copy all those folders or zip files inside that folder and unzip it. So now under the test folder which I have created, I have created a page. I must just create a new page, first page.html, and right click, just edit it with Notepad or Notepad plus plus. So this is the sample Web GIS page. My first page you can see like this. So what I'll do, I will delete all the source code from here, and one by one I will show how to add all the codes. So this is my basic page, you can see. So this is a simple HTML page. First we have HTML, then we have head, then body. So these all are the links for the APIs or the style or the APIs which you have downloaded. So you can see here I have given the link for the open layers. I have imported the open layer into my page. So inside of Tomcat, if you see, my Tomcat is installed at 8081 port. So localhost 8081 test folder, under the web apps folder, I have test folder. Inside that libs openlayers 2.13.1 and openlayer.js. So these are the mandatory path which you have to give before start coding. Second, you have to give the style sheet. Okay, I have given it 2 times, you have to give only 1 time. Then for extjs, same thing, you have to give this path, these 2 paths. Then this is also for extjs example.css. So now you can close this one JavaScript. And for geoext, what you have to do, you have to do like this: ext loader set config, like this, and just give the path of the geoext. So you can see the path is same: test libs geoext src geoext. And after that you have to give ext require. These are the basically what all are the functions you require under geoext. So I have given only three here because I will use in this page only these three: layer tree to show the, to switch on switch off your layers. So for that only I have imported this. And then you have to give this ext on ready function, and this. So none of the code I have written right now. This is the basic page. So what I will do, I will put this file in my Google Drive, and then I will share the path of that Google Drive in the description, so you can download and put it in your PC, and you can make a WebGIS page. So now one by one, what we will do, we'll keep on adding the code. So first of all, I have already made a code. Just I want to show you. First, what we will do. This is the open layers. First, we will decide the bounds of our map. Suppose I have taken the bound of the India. So just click here and paste it. This is the variable bounds, new open layer dot bound. This is the bounds, let long bounds for the India country. So you can give for your country, suppose for US or any country, or suppose you want to only create WebGIS for your state. So you can give that, or you can give whole world -180, -90, 180, 90. So first step is to give bounds. Then second step, you have to create the options regarding your map. Just paste. I will paste it here. So first of all, maximum extent of your map is bounds. This will be the maximum extent of my WebGIS. Then what is the projection? So my projection is simple geographic spherical coordinate GCS. So the EPSG code for this is 4326. Then there are two kind of layers in this: base layer and overlays. So base layer you can keep such as Google Map or OSM layer, but I'm showing only all overlay layers. So that's why I have kept it all overlays true. Unit is degrees. The zoom you can select based on the at what resolution you're publishing your map. Then you have to create a variable map. Just copy it and I will paste it here. My variable map is a new open layer map comma option. These all are of the options of the map. That what I will add few layers which we want to show on the map. So I will publish 2 layers which already, these layers already are inside the Geoserver. So you can see the video. I have given the link in the description how to publish the layer using Geoserver, so that you can first see how to put your layers inside the Geoserver. So what I will do, I will copy and paste these 2 layers only. Like this, you can put n number of layers. Just copy and paste another layer here. This just copy and paste another. Just you have to change the link of this. The Geoserver link which is coming, and this is the name of the layer which already I have published. So that video you can see that video how to publish the layer. So this layer name is coming from that only Geoserver. So I can show you. Admin is the username and Geoserver is the password. So under the layer preview, I'll show you the layer already it is there. So see, this is my layer, spatial India district. So I have copied this and I have put it here. And I have given the link for my Geoserver is localhost 8081 Geoserver WF. This is the WMS layer, web mapping service layer only. So one layer I have taken spatial India district and another layer I have taken spatial India state. So my layer look like something like this. Okay, and this is the district one. So I have just taken the link of that. Okay, so this is on the 2 layers. Now I will add this layer onto the map. So just run this function map.add layers and give the name of these 2 layers. So these 2 layers will be added. Now layer will be added, but I have to create a map panel. So this is the function of Geoext. You can visit the Geoext version 2 page, and there are help file is there. All the examples are there. So this is the option for creating map panel ext.create geoext map panel. Just I have to give the map name here. So I have given the map variable map. That's why I have given the name here map. If you want to give here variable map 1 or map 2 or any name, my map, anything, so you have to give the same name here. I have created one function here. So when you click on the this toolbar, so it will give the center of the map, lat long center lat long of the map. Now after adding this, you want to create a for switching on switching off your layer on the left side or the right side. So for that, these three things you have to do. First, you have to create a store. So for this, at the top of the page, I have shown you this ext require. So this is the link for the geoext, but these are the function which I will be using. Base layer container, layer tree model, overlay container. This layer tree model I am using here model. So that's why I have to give there. So just copy and paste this. So 3 kind of things are there. Overlay, this is the layer container. All the layer will come in this, whether overlay or base map. And second one is base layer container. Then third one is overlay container. So if you delete these 2 also, then still my layer will come. Just you type here map panel dot layer. So all the layer inside your map panel will come in this. Then create a tree, layer tree. So this is a simple, just you have to give the store name, store. So this is the store one. So if you can give the any name in the store. You can give your my store, my layer store. So you have to give the same name here. So we have added tree also. Now top of the web page, so that you can create a simple panel on the north. So I have decided the map like north on the top, south on the bottom, then east on the left side, and west on the right side. So for the north will be top of this will be the top of the page. So I have given the title my first web GIS, and region I have decided north. So I have created a panel. So the name my first web GIS will come under that. Now my whole web page is a viewport. So a viewport like this. Variable viewport, layout with items. What are the items inside this? Is map panel. Map panel where your layer will come. North is your name of the web page will come, and tree means where from where you can switch on switch off your layer. So you can see here tree I have given the region west. So like this there are four regions of the viewport: north, south, west, east. On the east side you can add one more thing or anything. So region you want you can add, or any panel you can add. So here I have only one map panel is in center. So if you see I have given the map panel region center. So now I'll save this and I'll show you how to run this. So I save this, and what I will do, I will run this. So this is stored under localhost 8081. Then I will go slash. Then I will give the test, and then first page.html. So sorry. Again I have actually I have replaced this too. So again I will add this after map panel whatever I have given. This one store, tree, north and viewport. These four items again I will copy and paste, because what I would do I have just copy and replace these two brackets. So just I will copy and paste here again this. So this is my viewport, my north, my tree. So I'll save it and I run this. So see this. So now here you have, since in center you have this map panel inside which you have two layers which I have added on my web. These two layers: state, India state, and India district. So India underscore dist, India state. So you can see here, and on the west side I have layer tree. So for these two, this is the tree on the west side. For that I have created a one store here. So whatever layer I'll keep on adding, all the layer will come here. So you can switch on, you can switch off, you can slide this one. No, on the north one this is like this. You can change the theme here like this. This is the classic one. This is the older one. You can make it gray. So this is the basic web page. So this is the one tool which I have created. If you click on this, it will give the let long of the center. So you see, this is the my I cannot pan much more than this, because what I have done, I have given the bounds this one. If I'll change these bounds to any other country, or for whole world, so I can pan this map to the whole world. So now you can zoom in, you can zoom out, everything you can do like this. You can change the symbology like this. You can switch on, switch off. So this is the basic one. Now what you can do, you can add, and then I will upload few more videos to show how to add more functionalities, such as for zoom in, rectangle zoom in, for click and info. So when you can click on any feature, you will get the attributes of that feature. And for creating queries such as special query, intersection, union, or simple query based on the attributes, what all are the, suppose what all are the districts having more population more than particular value, or between that will, so those kind of thing I will later on I will upload. So this is the basic Web GIS which I would have wanted to show you. I would so for this, first you see, I will give the link in the description for how to install the Geoserver, how to install the PostGIS, everything, and after that you can use this code. So I will give the link for the file, this HTML file also. Okay. So thank you guys. That's it from this video. Later on I will upload more videos to extend the so to add more functionality to this page, for that I will upload in near future. Thank you very much.